Hi, my dear students. We are going to the chapter-wise concept. The chapter is trigonometry. Now the topic is transformations. Now the question from transformations. In triangle ABC, prove that cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. So observe here from the given condition. In triangle ABC means what? In triangle ABC means sum of the angles 180 degrees, that is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. That's all. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now dividing by 2, then it gives A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. That's all. Now we have to take LHS. LHS, that is cos square A by 2 plus cos square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2. Now this is LHS, right? So this cos square A by 2 plus, from this we have to write 1 minus sin square B by 2 from identity plus cos square C by 2. So this can be right 1 plus cos square A by 2 minus sin square B by 2 plus cos square C by 2. So take common, that means this is in the form of cos square alpha minus sin square beta. Cos square alpha minus sin square beta is nothing but cos alpha plus beta into cos alpha minus beta. That's why it is cos of A plus B by 2 into cos of A minus B by 2. According to the formula, cos square A minus sin square B is nothing but cos A plus B into cos A minus B, plus this is cos square C by 2. Now in place of A plus B by 2 we have to write 90 minus C by 2 from this, since A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. That's all. Now substitute here in place of A plus B by 2, here 1 plus cos, in place of A plus B by 2, this is 90 minus C by 2. So cos 90 minus C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Now cos 90 minus C by 2, here it is cos A minus B by 2 plus cos square C by 2. That's all. Now cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. That's why here it is 1 plus sin C by 2. Here it is cos A minus B by 2. So this can be right in terms of sign from identity, that is 1 minus sin square C by 2. That's why here 1 plus 1, 2 plus sin C by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 minus sin square C by 2. That's all. Now we have to take common. Here sin C by 2 is common, that is 2 plus 2 sin C by 2, that means 2 plus sin C by 2 is common here, sin C by 2 is common, then in bracket here it is cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2, cos of A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. From this 2 plus sin C by 2 into, this can be right cos A minus B by 2. Here sin C by 2 is nothing but cos A plus B by 2. Cos A plus B by 2 is sin C by 2. That's why in place of sin C by 2 we have to write cos of A plus B by 2. That's all. Here this is in the form of cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is nothing but 2 sin A sin B. According to that form, here we have to write 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2. That's why this is 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Now this is RHS. So 2 plus 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 is the RHS. That's all. Now the next question, that is in triangle ABC, prove that sin A by 2 minus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus A by 4 sin pi minus B by 4 cos pi minus C by 4. So now we have to prove this one in two methods. Now we are going to the method one. Especially this model is very important for IP board exam for 7 marks. This question and this model, the question depends upon this model, is very important for 7 marks in IP board exam. Okay, now we have to prove this one in two ways. Now the first method, for this one we have to take, let x is equal to pi minus A by 4, y is equal to pi minus B by 4 and z is equal to pi minus C by 4. Let us consider x, y, z, pi minus A by 4, pi minus B by 4, pi minus C by 4 respectively. Now add these, x plus y plus z is equal to pi minus A plus pi minus B plus pi minus C by 4 for LCM. Okay, now here it is pi plus pi 3 pi minus of A plus B plus C by 4. Actually from the given condition, in triangle ABC means what? Sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Sum of the angles is 180 degrees. That means in triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. In triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Now from this, in place of A plus B plus C 180 means pi radians. Substitute here. Then x plus y plus z is equal to 3 pi minus pi by 4, that is 2 pi by 4, that is pi by 2. That's why x plus y plus z is equal to pi by 2. X plus y plus z is equal to pi by 2. That's all. Now let us consider, let us take this one. So take this one. Take x is equal to pi minus A by 4. Now from this, 4x is equal to pi minus A. Again from this, A is equal to pi minus 4x. Again from that, A by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus 2x. Divided by 2, then A by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus 2x. Similarly, B by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus 2y, pi by 2 minus 2y, and C by 2 is equal to pi by 2 minus 2z. That's all. Now we have to take LHS. What is LHS? LHS is sin A by 2 minus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2. That's all. Now in place of A by 2 we have to write pi by 2 minus 2x, and in place of B by 2 pi by 2 minus 2y, in place of C by 2 pi by 2 minus 2z. Okay. So in place of A by 2 we have to write pi by 2 minus 2x, in place of B by 2 pi by 2 minus 2y, and in place of C by 2 pi by 2 minus 2z. That's why sin pi by 2 minus 2x is cos 2x, sin pi by 2 minus 2y is cos 2y, and sin pi by 2 minus 2z is cos 2z. Now observe, this is in the form of cos C minus cos D. Now cos C minus cos D formula, we know that cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So according to this formula we have to write here This is minus 2 sine 2x plus 2y by 2. 2x plus 2y by 2 into sine, cos C minus cos D minus 2 sine 2x minus 2y by 2 plus cos 2z. That's all. Now from this, minus 2 times of 2 gets cancelled, that's why it is x plus y. Here it is sine of 2 gets cancelled, it is x minus y. Right? Plus cos 2z. Now, from the given condition, here it is x plus y plus z is equal to pi by 2. That means after assuming x is equal to pi minus a by 4, y is equal to pi minus b by 4, z is equal to pi minus c by 4. After that addition of those values, so x plus y plus z is equal to pi by 2. That's why in place of x plus y we have to write pi by 2 minus z. Minus 2 times of sine pi by 2 minus z sine x minus y plus cos 2z. That's all. Now sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. That's why minus 2 cos z. Minus 2 cos z. Here it is sine x minus y plus cos 2z. Right. Now this cos 2z, this cos 2z can be write, here it is, in terms of cos 2 cos square z minus 1. 2 cos square z minus 1 according to the formula from multiple angles, cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta minus 1. That's all. Now from these two, what we have to take common? Minus 2 cos z is common, then it is sin x minus y minus it is cos z minus 1. That's all. Now in place of that means here it is cos z. In place of z we have to write 90 minus of x plus y, since z is equal to 90 minus of x plus y. Now we have to write in place of cos z. That means here it is cos z is equal to cos 90 minus x plus y is sin x plus y. That's why in place of cos z we have to write sin of x plus y. That's all. So in place of cos z we have to write, here it is sin of x plus y. Now this is minus 2 cos z. Now this is in the form of sin a minus b minus sin a plus b is nothing but minus 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. That means minus 2 cos x sin y. Minus 2 cos x sin y. That's why here it is minus 1. Now we have to write minus 1. So minus minus plus 2 cos x sin y cos z. Actually what is x? What is x? Already assuming that is minus of 2 cos x is nothing but pi minus a by 4. X is pi minus a by 4. And sin of y is pi minus b by 4. And z, that is cos of pi minus c by 4. That's all. Now this is RHS. That's why this method is a little bit lengthy, but it is very easy. That's why this is the most useful method, and this is the most important question for 7 marks in IP board exam. Okay, especially this model, and this question is very important for IP board exam. Now we are going to the second method. This is the first method. We are going to the second method. Here this is minus 2 into minus 2, that is 4. That's why minus 1 plus 4 cos x sin y cos z. That's why minus that means minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus a by 4 sin pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4 is the RHS. That's why here minus into minus, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. That's why minus 1 plus 4 cos x sin y cos z. Already x is pi minus a by 4, y is pi minus b by 4, z is pi minus c by 4. That's why this is RHS. Now we are going to the second method for this question. Now second method for this question, that is So given in triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. That's why A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is 90. 90, that means it is pi, then it is pi by 2 in terms of radians. From this, C by 2 is equal to 90 minus of A plus B. Now we have to take LHS, that is sin A by 2 minus sin B by 2 plus sin C by 2. Now here formula sin C minus sin D is nothing but 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So C is A by 2 and D is B by 2. That's all, and it is a sin C by 2. This can be right in terms of cos 90 minus C by 2. Sin in place of C by 2. In place of C by 2, since A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is 90, then C by 2 is equal to 90 minus of A plus B by 2. So, in place of C by 2, we have to write 90 minus of A plus B by 2. That's all. Now, A by 2 plus B by 2 whole by 2 is nothing but A plus B by 4. This is A minus B by 4. Now, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay. Now, here, this is comparing with the formula cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus 1. Actually, from multiple and submultiple angles, cos theta is equal to cos square theta by 2 minus 1. If it is theta, then it is cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2, A plus B by 2 whole by 2, A plus B by 4 minus 1. That's all. Now from these two we have to take common 2 cos A plus B by 4 in bracket sin A minus B by 4 plus cos A plus B by 4. Here minus 1 is there. Now we are going to the next step. Now the next step, that is 2 cos A plus B by 4 cos. Here sin A minus B by 4 can be right in terms of cos, that is cos pi by 2 minus A minus B by 4. Since cos 90 minus theta is sin theta, that's why sin can be right in terms of cos pi by 2 minus of A minus B by 4 plus cos A plus B by 4 minus 1. Now this is 2 cos A plus B by 4 into cos, take LCM 4, here it is 2 pi minus A minus plus B by 4, here it is cos A plus B by 4 minus 1. We have to write minus 1, here it is minus 1 plus 2 cos A plus B by 4. Here again we have to write the formula cos C plus cos D formula. Here this part is C, this part is D. Now cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2, C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. That's all. After simplification, minus 1 plus 4 cos A plus B by 4. And say, since here it is 2 into 2, 4. That's why minus 1 plus 4 cos A plus B by 4 into cos. Here it is 2 pi minus A plus B by 8. Since here by 4 by 4 by 2. Now cos, here this is cos 2 pi minus A plus B by 4 minus of A plus B by 4 by 2. That's why it is 2 pi. That's why now by 8, 2 pi minus A minus plus B minus A minus B by 8. Now simplification, after simplification, minus 1 plus 4 cos A plus B by 4 cos. Here minus A plus A gets cancelled. That's why 2 pi plus 2B by 8. Here B minus B gets cancelled. That's why 2 pi minus 2A by 8. Now we are going to the next step. From the next step, here it is minus 1 plus 4 cos pi plus A plus B by 4 cos pi plus B by 4 cos pi minus A by 4. Now we know that from the given condition in triangle ABC means what? A plus B plus C is equal to 180. 180 degrees means pi radians. That's why A plus B plus C is pi. So A plus B is equal to pi minus C. Right? A plus B is equal to pi minus C. In place of A plus B, you have to write pi minus C. That's why it is pi minus C by 4. Now here it is pi plus B by 4. But in the answer, that means in RHS, minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus A by 4 sin pi minus B by 4 cos pi minus C by 4. Now here required sin. That's why this can be, that means cos in terms of sin, that is sin 90 minus theta. cos in terms of sine, that is sine 90 minus theta. That's why sine 90 minus theta is nothing but a plus b by 4. That's why pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4. So that's why cos in terms of sine, that is sine pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4. So it is cos pi minus a by 4. Right? Now here it is, since this is pi minus a by 4. Now a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So from this 1 minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus c by 4. Now take LCM here. LCM is 4. That's why 2 pi minus b. Cos pi minus a by 4. 2 pi minus b is nothing but pi minus b. That's why minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus c by 4 cos pi minus b sin pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus a by 4. That's why finally minus 1 plus 4 cos pi minus a by 4 cos pi minus b by 4 cos pi minus c by 4. This is RHS. So this is the second method for this question. That's why second method a little bit difficulty, and first method is very easy but little bit lengthy is there, but first method is suggestionable. Since especially this question is very important, this model is very important for 7 marks in IP board exam. That's why you can practice these type of questions. I will give the practicing questions. You can practice all the questions, especially for transformations. These are the most important questions. So in IP board exam, up to transformations 13 marks. So 4 marks, that means 2 plus 4 up to multiple and submultiple angles. Only 7 marks, only 7 marks from this topic transformations. That's why especially this question, this model is very important for 7 marks in IP board exam. You can practice this question. I will give the practicing questions, depends upon these concepts. Okay, right. Now practice these questions, practicing questions. If a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then prove the following. That means if a plus b plus c is 180 degrees, or in triangle ABC, that is the given condition. From the given condition, now the first question, that is sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 plus sine square c by 2 is 1 minus 2 sine a by 2 sine b by 2 sine c by 2, and cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 minus cos square c by 2 is 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sine c by 2, and sine square a by 2 plus sine square b by 2 minus square sine square c by 2 is 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2 sine c by 2, like that. And these also. So you can do these questions according to the first method, that is better. So if it is little bit lengthy, but it is comfort. Okay, you can practice all the questions. Okay, right. Bye.